let the hot comb cool down. But yes, y'all, this hair is from Fabulife. Yeah, okay. This is a 20-inch frontal and just two 26-inch bundles. I made a wig on the sewing machine. And this is their straight hair. So this is from Fabulife. It was just $50 a bundle. The frontal was $100. So yeah, and I dyed it myself. So yeah, all I did was let it air dry. I didn't even detangle it. I just bleached the knots, washed the whole wig, put it on the mannequin to dry outside, and now I need to brush through it because I haven't, and I'm just laying it down. I'm about to set my parts. I'm doing a bit of part, and however I'm styling it with this flat iron. I'm also gonna do my makeup and hopefully show y'all my outfit. Whew, excuse me, but I'll be back when it's time to style it. Alright y'all, so I don't even remember when I recorded this video, but that's the Maybelline Fit Me powder I'm using to set my concealer on my eyes so I can put some eyeshadow on. I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all now, I did not film the hair portion because my camera died. And so yeah, this is a voiceover for the rest of the video. And I hope y'all can hear my fan in the back. It's the Earth and Stone palette from Makeup Revolution Pro. You know, you get them from Ulta. Let's see, putting a little brown in my crease. I'm wrong for this being a voiceover talking like this. I guess if anything else comes up, I'll come back and talk, but I'll put some music over this video, y'all. Sorry, y'all. This probably gonna suck, but oh well. It's going on YouTube.
know the end result is gonna be cool, but why was I doing my makeup like this? And often, yeah, that's how this video is. I don't really do my makeup like this anymore. Kind of like toned it down, and I'm not even really that skin color anymore. Kind of bright now. So yeah, I don't even use that foundation anymore. Uh, Nor this e.l.f. contour palette. No reasons. It's just don't. They haven't been anything that I've been picking up to use lately, so I just thought I should pop in and let y'all know that. But the end result gonna be cool. I'm just saying, like, that's a lot of concealer for no reason. And if y'all do that, that's fine. Do y'all? I don't have nothing against it. Just for me, I have against it. Yeah, I do have something against it. I don't like how it looked on me, but yeah. But the end result's cool. I just had to do a lot of work when I could have just not did this in the first place. All right, y'all, back to the music. So y'all already know I went found the biggest lashes I could find that day. I don't really do this anymore either. I'm into, I guess you know when the girls we used to get individual lashes, how we used to get them looking natural, and instead of looking like this, how the girls get their lashes like this now, which is fine as them. But I'm into more of like the natural wispy look these days. So yeah, not these lashes anymore. And also, I wanted to say about the hair. Fabulife no longer sells hair anymore. Yeah, that's over and done with. That's how long ago this video was. Like, it's no longer that type of business anymore. So, but y'all will be able to visit their website in the future. It's more of a blog now. But yeah, the biggest lashes I could find, and Fabulife is no longer a business. Is what I want to pop back in and say. So yeah, look at me. Like, I'm ready to go fly with the bats at night. I guess. I was cute though. I was still cute. And y'all, this is so old. Look where my baby hair is compared to where the hairline is. Alright, y'all. That's really it.